Hello my friends, how are you doing today? As you could see, we had a snowstorm last night. Right now there is around a foot or 30 centimeters snow outside. Uh, Earlier today I was with my landlord at the grocery store, so right now I will show you some footage from our road there. I just checked if my car will be able to drive in this weather, in this snow, and it's handling pretty good, like a beast. So I will go because I don't have any snow gear right now, any winter jacket, any hat, any gloves. So right now I will go to the store, and you please join me. Alright, so I just came to the store. Actually, the one that I wanted to go, it's closed forever. I don't know why Google told me before that it's open. But I will go to Walmart probably and just try to get some. Especially I'm looking for shoes because right now I have a sneakers and they don't work very well. Okay, I need something to clean my car from the snow. Let's check if there is any Christmas decorations. Okay, snow and winter, I'm ready for you. As you can see, I got everything that I need for this winter. I got the shoes, the gloves, and the hat, and I spent around $40 for it. I'm also pretty happy because my car is behaving really well on the snow, even though I have all-season tires, and I wasn't very sure about them. So thank you for watching tonight. I hope you like it. I'm sorry it wasn't very exciting. Please hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and see you next week. Bye bye.